Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today, I want to share you my outfit which I'm wearing is beautiful, lovely Kota cotton saree. In this saree, if I talk about, there is a beautiful mild silver checks pattern you can see over here, and in the border, you can see the beautiful Mahalakshmi Pallu border where you can see the royal blue piping. Entirely this saree is from Kota cotton sarees. So friends, today I am going to show you only the Kota cotton saree section from the rapier segment. If you look at here all the bunches of varieties which is from the rapier segment. Today we'll see only a Kota cotton sarees. In this Kota cotton sarees, we do have a butta work sarees, silver border sarees, checks pattern border sarees, plain sarees. So today I'm going to show you some samples from the Kota cotton. These sarees are beautiful, lovely, traditional based Mahalakshmi sarees also it's called, which starts from around Kesaria Manufacturers 500 to 600, and the highest price if I talk about only 1000 rupees. I want to show you just the entire rapier segment. The rapier segment which is around, it starts from 150 rupees and the highest price is only up to 800 to 900. Beautiful, lovely sarees. Today I brought for you these Kota cotton sarees. Quickly you can add into your business, resellers, cotton resellers. So please watch this video, subscribe the channel quickly. You can do COD options pan India worldwide shipping we do having, and one more important update you can take down the note down. The Kesaria Textile is relocating to near to Surat Railway Station, opposite to Surat Railway Station, which is Doriwala Square building near Mohan Sweets, and it's just 5 minutes you can easily reach from after landing the Surat Railway Station. So friends, and you can easily do the visit purchase, and regularly you can do COD and pan India worldwide video calling also. You have lot of multiple benefits. All the women apparels you can quickly buy and you can start your boutique or shop or purchase all these varieties for the wedding, all kind of collections you can purchase over here. So Kota cotton saree, the lovely saree which is you have a beautiful mountain mini border with the golden. I like this color, beautiful saree. In this saree you can see here, this is the pallu, the lovely pallu you can see here. So in this saree you have a golden pallu. So in this base you have a one more saree. In this collections you have a magenta color combination. In this you got the magenta, you have a military green or the mehendi green color, bottle green combination you can see here. This is a magenta green, and all the borders are mountain cut borders. And you have a one more saree which is bottle green. It's like one of the dark green or the bottle green around the same color. Lovely saree, huh? Every beautiful, la? Beautiful saree. My cameraman also always, whatever the colors I take, he also says like beautiful, lovely collections. So these collections you can see, these sarees having a golden jerry butta border and lovely color mini borders of these sarees gives you very formal and professional look. One more is dark mehndi green or one of the military uniformic green pattern. Lovely saree. You have a maroon shade in this collections. I have one more saree which is bottle green based. This is exactly bottle green, that I can say the blue with peacock green, or can say. In the saree also you have all these sarees. Specially I have a one more maroon red. See how many sarees you are getting in the plain sarees. Okay, so one more saree is parrot green, lovely color. Okay, there's a saree. These are all sarees I've showed you. The parrot green with a beautiful Mahalakshmi border. You have a mountain cut border with the maroon, with the bottle green. You have a dark military green. You have a peacock green or peacock blue, magenta color. One is kesar color. Now coming to the checks pattern of sarees, which I am wearing the saree, the same light blue or light green color shade. In this I have you the beautiful color of the bottle green with the checks pattern. This is a saree. You got the lavender color border. This is a saree. Okay, and in this you got the pallu in this pattern. This is a checks pattern. You have a one more saree which is a mehndi green with a kesar color border with the checks pattern. All these sarees you can purchase at factory price. This is one of the pattern. And one more sari, you have a dark green with magenta border. This is a sari. One more sari which is maroon color. Friends, these saris today I've showed you around 600 to around 900 border varieties of these collections. These collections have a long lengthy folder. In this, for every sari you will get this kind of packing with every individual sari is packed from the white sheet and this long polythene covers, and every sari is having 10 to 8 colors. Friends, if I talk about this rapier section, we have a multiple butta varieties of saris, rapier cotton based, linen based, so all kind of soft cotton, jacquard cotton saris, all varieties you can purchase at factory price. Hope you enjoyed these collections. The same cotton, Kota cotton sari which I am wearing it. So you can also enjoy these Kota cotton Mahalakshmi based saris. Quickly take a screenshot. You can add on into your business. Scrolling the numbers on the screen, you can contact our online team. There's a video calling purchase. Morning 9:30 to 8:30 we do have a shopping. Worldwide we have a logistic service. And as I said, from airport once you reach, soon the Kesaria is relocating to near to Surat railway station. No need to converse about with the auto persons or with the cab persons. No, there will be a lot of broker persons where there is a third parties. They will talk to you and directly they will take you to the other shops or other brands. Don't get into those conversation. Take a screenshot quickly. You can pick up drop facilities are there. You can show numbers which are screen. If there is a pick up drop facility, you can call our online team executives. They will contact you. They will guide you. Come on the reception point and they will provide you sales executives based on your language. So friends, hope you enjoyed this Kota cotton saris. Next video we'll meet with new more collections with business information. Don't forget to let me in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep following and please share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone. There's a bell icon, just click it. Don't forget to follow and please support me. Next video we'll meet with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye bye.